Welcome to this honest review of MailVerifier, the top-notch email verification tool designed to help businesses and marketers ensure their emails land in real inboxes. MailVerifier makes it easy to verify email addresses in bulk, providing accurate results to avoid sending emails to invalid or non-existent addresses. One of the standout features of MailVerifier is its real-time email verification process. You simply upload a list of email addresses, and the tool instantly analyzes the list, checking each email for accuracy. It flags invalid emails and provides you with a clean, verified list that significantly reduces the chances of hard bounces. This is vital for maintaining a good sender reputation and improving deliverability. But it's not just about removing invalid emails. MailVerifier also identifies risky addresses like role-based emails, info@, support@, and disposable email addresses. This helps businesses target only the most reliable leads. The pricing is flexible, offering different plans based on the size of your email list. Whether you need to verify a few hundred or thousands of emails, MailVerifier offers affordable options. The paid plans are reasonable, and you get to pay only for the credits you use, making it a cost-effective option for businesses of all sizes. However, while MailVerifier excels in most areas, one potential downside is its dependency on an internet connection for real-time verification. Also, the free version has limited functionality, which might not be sufficient for larger businesses or heavy users. If you're also looking to streamline your inbox, consider Clean Email. It's an amazing tool for email management, helping you unsubscribe from unwanted emails, organize your inbox, and keep it clutter-free. Follow the link in the description for the best email manager experience. MailVerifier is an excellent choice for businesses, marketers, and anyone who needs to verify emails efficiently. But don't forget to try Clean Email too. It will take your email management to the next level. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful videos.